Assalamu alaikum and welcome to PAKcoin 101. In this tutorial, we will learn how to join Utopia or sign up for its beta program as it's not yet released. If you don't know what Utopia is, it's a secure, decentralized ecosystem that utilizes unique peer-to-peer architecture. For more information, you may watch a recently uploaded video on the very topic, which you can check out from the iCard above. Let's proceed with the tutorial. First, you need to go to the site of Utopia, which is beta.u.is. Here's the site. If you're having trouble, just search Utopia beta, which gives us the same website. You may also have been provided an invite link similar to the one being shown on the screen. To use an invite link, simply copy paste it in your browser. Let's proceed with the basic website. To sign up, you need to click on register. After that, you're presented with a page that allows you to choose the roles you want to be associated with while being a member of Utopia. There are 3 roles: beta tester, contributor, and promoter. It is your choice to choose whichever you want, and these can be changed later on. For now, I'm going to be selecting all of these. Nickname/login. This will be your username. For this tutorial, let's put it as test12344. For our email, we'll be using a temporary email. This is the one I'm going to be using for this tutorial. Use a password. Any password will work. Select your country. Put a small introduction about you. Fill out the CAPTCHA and then click on register. After that, you'll be proceeded to this page. Your account has been created. You should read all of this and then click on continue. Join beta test. You must click here now. Kindly read the beta access agreement. It is very important that you read this properly. After reading the agreement, if you wish to be a part of Utopia, click on agree. You will be proceeded to a My Licenses page. The first instruction being download the Utopia software. Click on download. Choose the operating system you are operating from. I'm using Windows 7 64-bit, so I'll click 64. If you have a 32-bit version, then you need to click 86. The download has started, but as I've already downloaded the file, I'll cancel this. You need to have this though. Let's go to the downloads folder to carry on. Here is the installer file. Click on it. Next, choose the folder you will be installing your software in. You may choose any as you like. For testing purposes, we will be installing on desktop. Click on install. Click on finish. Click here. You'll be presented with a screen like this. A lot of people get confused at this stage, accidentally putting their login information over here and not passing on. However, that's not how it's to be done. Instead, you need to click on create account. Kindly read these and then click on next. Your nickname need not be the same one you used while signing up. You can choose any. Let's just choose test1234. You may provide your first name and your last name. Then click on next. You need to select where you wish to keep your encrypted Utopia database file. For the sake of this tutorial, we will be saving on desktop. Choose a password. Click on next. If you wish to mine Krypton, select enable mining, and this is highly preferred. Otherwise, deselect it. Click on finish. Click on allow access. Before we proceed, a point that I missed, that mining does not disturb your computer performance and uses very less memory. So if you keep it enabled, it will be beneficial to you as you will be earning Krypton along the way. You need to save both of these. Let's save it in a notepad file. Currently minimize this and copy the public key again. Now head back to the website and click on here. You will be asked for the public key, which you should provide. Then click on add. It will take some time to activate, after which it will show license activation complete. Simultaneously, your Utopia software will be installed and you will be brought to this screen. This is the Utopia main chat lobby. There are other groups and other features of Utopia, and a detailed analysis will be made available in future videos. For now, your software has been installed. You have now successfully created an account for Utopia and as well signed up for the beta program. Now head back to the website. To contribute to Utopia's beta program, go to reports. There are 3 ways to be a part of the beta program: being a beta tester, an idea generator, or a promoter. Beta testing is basically finding flaws, errors, or glitches in the Utopia software and reporting it by clicking here and clicking on Submit Bug Report. You need to fill out all the details and then click on Submit. Do note that all reports should be made in English only. Then there is the idea reports. If you have any idea related to Utopia, any new feature you would like in the software, anything at all, any improvement or anything in your mind, go to idea reports, click on Submit idea, then share your idea and click on Submit. The third is being a promoter. You will be promoting Utopia, its message, and the Utopia software on multiple platforms, either on social media platforms or even in real life. To submit a promo report, click on Promo Report, click on Submit Promo Report. You must read these rules, which detail what is being accepted as a promotion and what is not, and then click on Submit. It is necessary that you read these and submit accordingly. Before posting any report, you must read all of the rules which are mentioned in their specific tabs and then post. If your report does not comply with the rules, or the issue or the idea has already been reported, it will be rejected. Therefore, make valuable reports to the Utopia program. Also, do not create multiple accounts, as they will be detected as spam activity and all of your accounts could be suspended. With this, we conclude today's tutorial. Thank you.